Well, the next question is also on relative velocity, relative motion. It reads as follows. On a two-lane road, car A is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. Two cars B and C approach car A in opposite directions with the speed of 54 km per hour each. At a certain instant, when the distance AB is equal to AC, both being 1 kilometer, B decides to overtake A. This is an important sentence. B decides to overtake A before C does. What minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid an accident? Well, now the question is very simple. You see, all the three are in motion. Car A, car B and car C, they are all in motion with respect to each other. Hence, here you cannot take the velocity of a particular object, particular car. You will have to take into account the relative velocity. All the three frames of reference are in motion, so in such cases we only take relative velocities. So car A is moving in a particular direction, so let's choose direction of motion for car A. Okay, let me say this is A, okay, and it's moving in this direction with the velocity VA, which is given in the numerical. The numerical also says B and C approach each other in opposite direction. Now I have to choose in which direction is B and C approaching car A. Now there is a hint that B decides to overtake A. So for B to overtake A, B must be traveling in the same direction as A but a little behind, right? So B must be traveling behind A and it is moving in the direction of A, whereas C is approaching in the opposite direction, right, with some velocity which is given in the numerical. Okay, now this is the initial condition. If you understand this, half of the problem is done, right? Now, what is the speed with which A was traveling? That is 36 km per hour. Let me convert this into meter per second. So let us multiply this by 5 by 18. 18 ones are 18 into 2. 18 2 times gives you 36. So 5 into 2 is 10. So this is 10 meter per second. Right? Now if I calculate the velocity for B, which is also in the same direction as A, it is given, it is 54 km per hour. So 54 into 5 by 18, I am converting it to meter per second. 5 into 3 will give you, sorry, 18 into 3 will give you 54. 5 into 3 gives you 15. Now I want you to observe the fact that the sign of velocities for both A and B is positive, and they are the same in fact, since they are both moving in the same direction, right? Now also let's calculate the velocity for C. This will be 54 into 5 by 18. So this is the same, this is also 15 meter per second. You can take it as negative when you are considering the motion of C with respect to A. So when we take the relative velocity of C with respect to A, we can take this as minus 15, or we can take the velocity of A as minus 10 relative to velocity of C. So that minus sign you have to take into account when you are calculating the relative velocity. Now it says that the distance AB and AC is equal to 1 kilometer. So when both cars are at a distance of about 1000 meter from the car A, then B actually decides to overtake A so he must be accelerating. And what is the minimum acceleration of car B so that he has to avoid an accident? Now we do not know the time as well. Time is not given. We do not know acceleration. With two unknowns you cannot solve a problem. So what we are going to do, we know that the distance AB is equal to AC, that is x or delta x, whatever, is 1000 meter or 1 kilometer at a particular instant of time, which we do not know, right? Now, so let us first calculate the time taken by car C to cover this distance, right? So we know that car C and car A are both in motion. So time taken by car C to cover the distance of how much? 1000 meters is what I need to calculate. To cover how much? To cover a distance of 1000 meters. So it is traveling. We have to calculate, we have to take into account the relative speed, that is VCA. We know that velocity is delta x by delta t. This t is not known, we have to calculate. We know V, velocity of C with respect to A. So VCA is delta x into delta t. Now I have to calculate, again VCA is an unknown, I cannot have two unknowns. So I calculate VCA, relative velocity, by definition is VC minus VA. Velocity of C is 15 meter per second minus of, we know that A is traveling in a direction opposite to that of C. So I take it as minus 10. So this will be 25 meter per second. So this will be 25 is equal to covering a distance of 1000 divided by time. So how much time does it require? So cross multiply, you get 1000 divided by 25, which is equal to 40 seconds. So C will cover a distance of 1000 meters traveling at a relative speed of 25 meter per second relative to car A. So if B has to accelerate, B has to overtake car A before C does, then he has to do it within a time limit of 40 seconds. So he has to do it before 40 seconds, otherwise after 40 seconds C would have actually overtaken, would have already crossed A before B does. So given this condition, we can easily calculate the minimum acceleration required. So let's do the working. So let's say for car B to overtake A, car A, before car C does, B has to accelerate within t is equal to 40 seconds, right? Very obvious, this is very logical. So how does he do that? You have to calculate. So in order to calculate that, we know distance for B, he has to cover a distance, is equal to VBA into T. Here I am taking into account the relative velocity because I told you all the frames of reference are in motion and B is overtaking a car which is also in motion, right? So since car A is also in motion, you have to take relative velocity into consideration plus half acceleration of B, which is supposed to be calculated. So I do not know VBA, so my job is to find out VBA first, that is by definition VB minus VA. How much is VB? It is 15 minus 10, this will be 5 meter per second. So I substitute this value here. XP is, he has to cover a distance of 1000 meter with the speed of, he is traveling with a speed of 5 meter per second relative to car A, and he has to do that with the same velocity. He has to do it within 40 seconds, plus that is the limit. So you have to take limit, you can't take a value less than that. So we always take the limiting value, half into AB 40 square. So sorry, you need not write meters here, this will be 1000. 5 into 4 is 20, so this is 200 plus half AB, and 40 square is 4 4s are 16, so this will be 1600. This is again right, plus, so this is 800 AB, so this will be 1000 minus 200 if I bring it on the left hand side. So 800 is equal to 800 AB. So the acceleration of car B is 1 meter per second square. So this is the minimum acceleration required for car B in order to overtake car A before C does within a time limit of 40 seconds, right? So this is the minimum acceleration required.